Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission Chair Rostin Behnam will step down when President-elect Donald Trump takes office on January the 20th, the agency said, paving the way for Trump to appoint his own chief and kickstart a crypto policy overhaul. Getty Images said it would merge with rival Shutterstock to create a $3.7 billion stock image powerhouse geared for the artificial intelligence era in a deal likely to draw antitrust scrutiny. Shutterstock shareholders can opt to receive either $28.80 per share in cash or 13.67 shares of Getty for each Shutterstock share they own. Oil prices settled higher, driven by concerns over limited supply from Russia and Iran because of Western sanctions and expected higher Chinese demand. Traders were looking to the Chinese stimulus plans to drive growth as supplies are tight following the Christmas and New Year's holidays.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory. The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.